Whatever is happening, whatever is going around the social media, those are just rumors. And we take them as speculations and things which people are getting out of hand. In the Odinga family, I want to tell you straight forth that I'm representing Right Honorable Oburu as the elder and as the face of the Odinga family. There is no crack in the Odinga family. We as the Odinga family, we are united since the late Jaramogi left us 32 years ago. And as you know, we are celebrating the 32nd anniversary of the late Jaramogi. So I want to make it clear that there is no crack. We as the Odinga family, we are very much united, and we are talking in one language, in the umbrella of Dr. Oburu Oginga. Secondly, in politics, I want to tell you that in politics, we appreciate whatever happened in the ODM. ODM, there was a vacuum, and right now there's no vacuum. They sat down and they found it that it was fit to put Oburu Oginga as the most experienced member of ODM to spearhead the party as per now. And my daughter, Winnie, is also a politician and a daughter to this family. Winnie is not trying to engage his uncle in any battle in a political battleground. Winnie is playing her political game, but people are trying to bring it out of context to put Oginga against Odinga, which is not the real case. The case here is like, if there is any problem that Winnie feels that there is, then there is a mechanism that was put down by the late Jaramogi as a family. We will resolve it. But as per now, I know there is no problem. Winnie never called a name. Winnie never called the name of his uncle. So I feel that please let us respect the family. And please let us respect Raila. Raila, who loved his brother very much. He will not wish his brother death. And I want it to come out that even Raila, where he's lying, he will not be happy to see whatever people are trying to come up with against his elder brother. So please let us respect Raila's will. Let us respect Raila's legacy. And please let us celebrate Jaramogi's 32nd anniversary in peace. Thank you so much.
We are also saying that, remember, this fraternity of Kawuor has a huge mechanism of how we talk to each other. We are therefore urging us, Kawuor who are out there, Nyiroche who are out there, that there is an opportunity. If we feel like we are disgruntled, we would not want to imagine that there is a problem. But I know people are imagining that there is a problem. We are saying that as Kawuor, we love each other. As brothers and sisters, we call ourselves Kawuor, we call our girls Nyiroche. We are inviting Nyiroche from wherever they are. If you feel disgruntled as our daughter, the daughter of this land, come back home, we talk. If you're a brother and you're out there, Kawuor, and you feel disgruntled, it is a time of talking to each other. Our gates are wide open in Jaramogi's compound here. All of us are welcome, and Kenya is welcome, where we speak nothing but love. So we are inviting us to talk love, to speak love, and to respect each other. I want to emphasize that there is no problem. Let it be clear that we have something called Juogi in Kawuor, which is called Kawuor. We know that we are outspoken. And some of our children, some of us, our brothers, some of our sisters may be outspoken out there. But we are saying that there is nothing that has gone wrong. Our gates are open. We are just inviting us not to talk about our issues out there. Respect comes before anything else. So we are asking Nyiroche, who are out there, it's not just one, we have many that are out there. Kawuor are out there. We are saying we belong to one family. We belong to one grandmother. We are all Nyikua Nyakochia. Come back home and let us talk. We shall not speak out there. That is all I'm saying. We look at this today and thank God again that out of this, it pleased God that the party leader of ODM, a party that was formed by the Right Honorable Raila Odinga, one of the biggest party in Kenya, that our own father again takes up that shoe and takes over as the party leader. So we thank God on this day that the good fortunes that befall us because we are up to the task and we are able to deliver. So we thank God and we thank Kenyans and we thank the ODM fraternity for giving us an opportunity again as Kawuor, as Sakwa, as the Luo community to take charge of the biggest party in Kenya. We know that Daktari is up to the task because he is the firstborn of Jaramogi, who we are celebrating today. And he has seen it all. He has seen every bit of the transformation of both multi-party and ODM. But as we do this, we also thank God that Kenyans have chosen to trust us. And we feel proud that we shall deliver the dream of Kenyans. So all we are saying today, ladies and gentlemen, out here, it may not look very good on our side because of the unfortunate circumstances that have happened in quick succession. But we thank God for the opportunity to serve Kenya. Thank you very much.